Household chores. Put away toys. Water plants. Help set the table. Sort laundry. Hanging up laundry. Dust low surfaces. Clean floors. Clear dishes. Clean bathrooms. Make their bed. Fold and put away laundry. Wipe down surfaces. Sweep floors. Take out trash. Vacuum carpets. Clean windows. Shovel snow. Rake leaves. Cook meals. Iron clothes. Wash the car. Mow the lawn. Get dressed. Babysit younger siblings. Feeding pets. Wipe the table. Trims the hedge. Organizing the closet. Cooking meals. Cleaning the fridge. Thank you for watching and waiting for next lesson.